Hello, nice to meet you on the Great Garden channel. In the process of growing and caring for beautiful orchids, we cannot avoid some of the biggest pests for orchids: snails, slugs, and cockroaches. They are annoying, persistent, and especially like to eat orchid leaves and roots, destroying our beautiful orchids. Removing snails and insects is very difficult, because their natural enemies cannot live in orchid gardens. Moreover, we all want to limit the use of chemicals when growing orchids, so it is not easy to deal with them. Luckily, I have found some organic solutions to effectively kill snails, and in this video, I will share with you all of them. These are the most effective repellents I have ever tested, and there is a method that takes less than 3 minutes to make. In addition to snails, this natural remedy also repels aphids, mice, rats, moles, caterpillars, and other garden pests. You don't need expensive chemicals, sprays, or poisons. Everything you need to make this snail killer is already in your kitchen. Before we get started, I want to let you know that, in addition to American English, I have also added subtitles in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Turkish, and Korean to help you understand the video more easily. Click on the gear icon in the right corner of the screen and choose the appropriate language. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If everything is ready, all you need to do is watch this video until the end, and your orchid garden will be completely protected. First recipe. The first ingredient is hot peppers. They contain capsaicin, which is an irritant to the sensitive bodies of snails, which is why they instinctively avoid the treated areas. The strong smell and taste of chili peppers act as a natural repellent because snails have extremely sensitive systems to detect chemical stimuli. You can use fresh chili peppers or chili powder. You can use the type available in your area, as long as it is as spicy as possible. Put 3 chili peppers in a blender. This small chili pepper is super spicy, which we will blend in a blender so that we can mix them with water. Add 500 milliliters of warm water and blend. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Then filter out the pulp. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder to the cup. It has a strong repellent effect because of the strong smell that snails cannot stand. The sulfur compounds in garlic make snails even more uncomfortable. You can also use fresh garlic, but garlic powder is more practical. Add 500 milliliters of boiling water and stir well. Soak for 30 minutes or until cool. Then filter and mix with the previously ground chili solution. Finally, dilute with 2 to 3 liters of water, depending on the strength you want. We can kill snails in the following 3 ways. The first way is to wipe the leaves. Note that to avoid causing spicy and smelly hands, you should use gloves. I take a soft cloth, soak it in diluted garlic water, and gently wipe each leaf, both the top and bottom. Helps remove dirt and mold that hinder photosynthesis. And increases the resistance of leaves thanks to the natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Just do this once every 2 weeks. Harmful insects such as snails, cockroaches, mealybugs, thrips, red spiders will stay away from your orchid. In addition, this method also helps to naturally retain moisture, soothing the leaves in the hot, dry season. Method 2. Put garlic water in a spray bottle. We will spray evenly on the leaves, both sides, the stem, and the aerial roots. Do this 1 to 2 times a week. Important note: do not spray in the hot noon sun. It can easily burn the leaves. Choose early morning or cool afternoon so that the water evaporates quickly. Do not use a solution that is too concentrated. It can shock the plant. You should use cotton to absorb all the water left in the gaps between the leaves to prevent the orchid leaves from rotting. With this method, orchid leaves are always absolutely protected from snails and harmful insects. In addition, garlic and chili water also help create a natural protective layer, preventing orchids from rotting leaves, brown spots, or white fungus. Method 3. Soak orchid roots in garlic and chili water. Soak orchid roots in this solution for 15 to 30 minutes. We need to dilute 350 milliliters of this solution with 2 liters of water so as not to harm the orchid roots. Make sure the roots are submerged in water, but the stem and leaves do not come into contact with water. Helps kill snails, slugs, fungi, and bacteria residing in the pot. These harmful insects will immediately have to crawl to the surface of the water to escape. Your job is just to catch them. In addition, this solution also helps stimulate new root growth thanks to the compound, allicin in garlic. Increases resistance, helping plants fight against pathogens from the environment. With simple steps and cheap ingredients such as garlic and chili, you can completely protect your orchid garden to be green, strong roots, beautiful shiny leaves, and fight against harmful insects such as cockroaches, snails without abusing chemicals. You can also click on the videos on the screen to continue watching our other orchid care tips. Thank you.